I'm back! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a little minute since I filmed last. I've been busy and this YouTube thing takes up a lot of time. First things first, I've got a little friend with me. So this is Keith. We got him only last week and we got him and his brother Rack, but he's a little bit more shy, so I thought I'd give Keith a little welcoming and say hi. So this is little Keithy. Today I'm going to be doing a little summer haul, show you some swimwear, bikinis and a few of my favourite things that I've got recently for holidays. I've just been away with my boyfriend to Fuerteventura, which was lovely, and I'll just show you some of the bikinis I got. We should get on with the video. Yeah? Should we go with the video? Yeah? My favourite little bean. I have just put little Keith away so I can show you my clothing, and I might bring out Rack later so you can say hello to him. So what I'm going to do first is show you some of the clothing that I got, and then I'm going to move on to bikinis, and I'll show you some clips of me trying it on as well. First thing that I'm going to show you is these little pink shorts, and these are from Primark. I think they were about, I want to say £10, and they're just such a lovely kind of terracotta colour almost. Got these cute little wooden buttons and a nice belt to go with it. They're kind of paper bag waist as well, and they're really flattering on. They can be styled with so many different things and I absolutely love them. I've already worn them on holiday and I really like them, they're so comfy. So that's those ones. Also, before I forget, I did get these little gold shell dangly earrings from Primark too, and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. They're about £3 I think, and they're just so nice and summery and they just go with everything and love them. The next thing I'm going to show you is another little basic, which is this black mini dress. It's literally plain black bodycon dress, absolutely stunning to just wear over a bikini or just day to day. It's really simple. It's got these kind of chunkier straps, and it was about £3.50 from Primark, so it was absolute steal. They did have other colours, but I wasn't sure whether I wanted white or anything because I just felt like it was going to be see-through, so black was a safe option. And then very similar to the dress, I got this terracotta coloured mini, it's actually more of a midi dress, this one. I'm absolutely loving this colour palette, the terracotta colours, the neutrals, the peachy colours. I just think it's really nice for the summer and it's very in for this season. This one is from Zara, so it is a bit of a thicker material, which is nice, and I think it was about £14.99. The next thing that I got is my all-time favourite purchase of clothing this season, I guess. So it's these lace cover-up trousers that they flare at the bottom, which is really cool. And you basically just chuck these on over a bikini and it just really dresses it up. It looks so nice with a bikini underneath. I've been wearing these a lot over on my Insta, so if you want to check me out over there, you can see how I styled these. I was looking for a pair for a little while, and I came across these ones and they're perfect. So I got these from Asos, but they're from Misguided. No, they're from Miss Selfridge. And these were £25, but I'd say it's really worth the money because they're just great material and all that. Next thing I got is also one of my faves. A little bralette, I don't know what colour it is. It's kind of this lovely bluey greeny colour, and it's that shiny material. This was also from Zara, and this was £15, I believe. I think it's really nice. It can be dressed up really nicely with a long black maxi skirt, and just very flattering and all in all great. I'm now going to move on to the bikinis that I got from Blooming Jelly. They very kindly sent me some, and it's the first time I've tried their bikinis or anything, so I'm very excited to see what they're like. So first up I got, I think it's a white lacy cover-up again. I love my cover-ups. I'm going to Ibiza at the end of June, so it's the perfect place to wear little bikini cover-ups. This is really nice. Oh my god! Oh, it's so big. I can't even show you, but I'll show you on the try-on clip here. I love it. So it's this maxi, I guess you'd call it like a kimono, and it's all in this lovely white lace, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. And it just ties up around the middle, and I just think that'll be so nice to pop on with a bikini underneath if you're kind of walking around the pool and you want to look a little bit sassy, a little bit cute. I think it's going to be a really nice piece to wear with a bikini, so I'm extremely excited about that one. So the first bikini that I got is this black and white checked high-waisted bikini. Absolutely love this pattern. It's so up my street. Black and white as per, because I love me some monochrome. And I think the top just ties up at the front, which is a really nice detail. I love these bikinis because you can tighten them, loosen them as much as you want. And I tend to find they're quite flattering as well. Love that word, don't I? Love it. Love a good high waist bikini on the days where you don't want everything out. I mean, whew, they look massive next to me, but look. Second bikini I got is this little navy stripy number. The top is a similar vibe, it ties up at the front, but I don't think you can undo it. No, you can't undo it, that's fine. And it's really nice to have a little bit of navy, and me thinking this is colour for me, like literally. But it's nice to have a little bit different, some more colour in the wardrobe, in my bikini wardrobe. And the bottoms are also really cute. They've got this little cut out sides, which I think is really nice, and I really like the shape of them. They look like they'll be quite nice and high-waisted on, which is great. Now on to the last bikini and the last thing of this haul. I wanted to keep it short and sweet, so let's see what these is like. Well, this is interesting because I really wouldn't normally go for something like this, so I'm quite intrigued. Look at that! Mustard is not the usual colour I would go for, but I think it works really nicely with the black and white stripe. And as you can see, they tie up at the sides, which I again really like. You just gotta make sure you double knot that shit because don't want that to come off. But I like tying it up at the waist because then you can make it as tight as you like. And the top is, so it kind of sits like that, and then you tie it up at the shoulders. Great. Looks beautiful. I love the colours. It's really different, a little bit saucy. So that is it for this summer haul. I thought I'd keep it short and sweet. Keep your eyes peeled because I'm definitely going to be coming back at it with a summer lookbook or an outfit styling for summer holidays, because I personally find them so helpful when I'm going away on holiday. Just get some inspo and stuff, so keep your eyes peeled for that if you're interested. And as promised, here is little Rack. So he does look like a little raccoon. I mean, a lot cuter, but so I thought I'd show. Look at him, he's so cute. He's so soft as well. Hey little one. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you'd like to see more, then make sure you hit that thumbs up and the little subscribe button. It would really help me out. If you did want to see more of my outfits and how I style, check me out on Instagram at SummerJadeStyle, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye!
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to.